If you're broke for Christmas like me, but you still have some gifts to give, then you need to watch this video where I show you how to make a batch of these easy and delicious Italian biscotti cookies. Ciao amici, Christina here. Remember to click on that subscribe button before you go. Guess what? After you bake them, then you gift them. Wrap them up in a cute little box or a cute little bag with a cute little bow. And presto! You have a high quality, home baked, and thoughtful gift that costs less than $10. Yes, I said less than $10. In this recipe, I use flax eggs because my son has a really bad egg allergy. So if you want to use flax eggs, or you have to use flax eggs, here's the ratio. 1 tablespoon of flax to 3 tablespoons of water. 1 to 3. That equals 1 egg. So you take 1 tablespoon of flax, you mix it with the 3 tablespoons of water, you mix it around and you let it sit for 5 minutes. If you don't have an egg allergy or don't like flax eggs, then just use 2 regular eggs instead. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and spread your almonds in a single layer on top of a baking sheet. You can either use sliced almonds like I'm using, or you can use whole almonds. And you want to bake those for 10 minutes. Take them out of the oven, let them cool slightly, and then chop them either by hand or put them in your food processor. Sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt in a small bowl. Then, with an electric mixer, cream the butter and sugar together. Once that turns fluffy, beat in your eggs or your flax eggs and the vanilla. You want to gradually add your flour mixture until it's just combined. Then you want to remove your electric mixer and mix in your almonds and your anise seeds by hand. I find that by hand is easier to do because this dough is kind of thick. And if you do it by hand, then you ensure that all the almonds and the anise seeds get in the dough. Transfer your dough onto either a lightly floured surface or a silicone mat. Then you want to roll it out into a log that's 3 inches by 13 inches. You want to line your baking sheet with either parchment paper or a silicone mat. Transfer the log onto the baking sheet. Flatten it a little bit and then bake for 35 minutes. Remove it from the oven, but don't turn off your oven just yet. Let it cool for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, you want to take a serrated knife and then cut on the diagonal in 1/2 inch increments. Then you turn the cookies over onto their sides and bake them for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes is up, turn the cookies over and bake for another 5 minutes. The cookies will still look soft and feel soft in the middle when you take them out of the oven, but once they cool completely, they will become crispy. I've included an optional chocolate dip for the cookies, which just sends them over the top. But if you don't like chocolate or you don't want chocolate, then you can serve them plain and they will be so delicious without the chocolate too. Sweet beans! This is delicious! If you want another edible holiday treat gift giving idea, click on this video over here right now. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like this video if you like it, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Ciao for now. Sweet!